Hey guys, this is Michael here from Richmond Hill Toyota. Just want to show you a couple cool things on the Camry, 2018 Toyota Camry. More specifically, how to use the heads-up display. So what you see here is a dashboard. Right now, currently, it's showing the lane departure alert for the car. Now you can control everything on this little screen by using the up, down, left, right here on the steering wheel. Now as we go into here, you're going to notice a column on the left. I'm going to scroll down, music, down to car info, which shows your tire pressure, and then your settings. Now from your settings here, I'm going to go to the right and switch between all the different safety settings. In the next screen here, we see HUD, HUD, which stands for heads up display. Scroll over to that, and then from the steering wheel, you press the little OK button to turn it on and off. If you want to change the settings, however, you press and hold, and from here we're going to change the brightness and position, and you can see brightness is left to right, position up and down. So as we see the heads up display here, I'm moving it up and down as we speak. So that's it for this video on how to use the heads up display in the 2018 Toyota Camry. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me on my website, michaeldrives.com, or by call or text at 416-220-9316. Thanks so much for watching, and look forward to any other videos you guys would like me to do.